What is going on, YouTube? Check this out. We have the Mini riding on top of the Mavic 2 Pro. Why is that? Because I want to compare the cameras running at 2.7K on the Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro at exactly the same time with the same lighting conditions at the same place. This is the way to do it. This video is a series of videos that's going to compare the camera on the Mini to the Fimi and the Xeno with the Mini riding on top of it, each one of those drones. So above me here, I'll put it in the playlist so you guys can watch those other two videos of the Fimi and the Xeno with the Mini on top of it. That was a mouthful. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of this channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Show me some love back. Alright, thank you for watching. Let's get into the video. So this is November 21st. I got my Mini yesterday, and I made this bracket for it. I shouldn't say bracket, but this little adapter that allows the Mini to sit on top of the drones, and you're going to see a series of videos with the Mini riding on top of each one of the drones. So the series is going to be comparing the camera of the Fimi, the Xeno, and the Mavic 2 Pro against the Mini. And the Mini, it's hitchhiking a ride on top of each one of the drones like so. You can see it. So that way it gives you a comparison of the video. It's exactly the same view at the same time with the same lighting conditions. So, you know, a lot of you guys have been telling me that it's not a fair comparison of my camera comparisons because of the fact that, you know, different lighting conditions at different times. Yeah, you're right, because I can't fly two drones up and down this river here at the same time. I mean, I could try, but I could probably lose one of my drones, and I really don't want to do that. I've already lost a Spark that way and don't want to do anything more. I was super nervous flying because, you know, if I made a mistake, I lost two drones, right? And I've never done anything like this before, and I'm not sure anybody else has. But I decided to give it a go anyway, and it turned out the risk was worth taking because I'm sure the results are going to be beautiful when I get back and look at the videos. You know, one of the things that I was nervous about is the fact that, you know, I didn't know if this thing was going to shift one way or another in flight, and then it would catch a prop and then just, you know, cause both the aircraft to come down, right? So the downsides of doing this is that, you know, if something goes wrong, you're taking two drones out at once. So yeah, it was a calculated risk. I started with the Fimi first because I knew I had the same kind of motors, a lot of horsepower. It's a very powerful drone, and today you can buy it for $388. So that's the reason why I flew the Fimi first, because it's really at the same price point as this guy. But I believe you get more value out of the Fimi because of the fact that you can fly it faster, you can get better resolutions, and you can tweak the camera a little bit more. Granted, this camera is probably going to be a little better algorithms for the compressions, but the Fimi is continually upgrading its firmware, and I believe they're eventually going to catch up to some of the functions that we see in the software on the DJI Go app, or in this case, the DJI Fly app. Okay, so that's the comparison I wanted to make, is drones under $400, right? Because I believe that today, the Fimi is probably the best value for under $400. Today, you can buy it at $388 from Alibaba. And the Xeno, I mean, it is still a great value for under $300. You can get 4K camera stabilized video. So, yeah, that was my thoughts. Why I was doing all this is to test this guy. I mean, it was a great opportunity because this guy is so light that I knew the FEMA could pick it up and carry it, right? And fly it around. So, yeah, I mean, super stoked, super nervous, all at once.